Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. My name is Moyo, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install individual butterfly locks. So if you are excited, if you want to know how I achieve this, please make sure to watch this video till the end. The hair that I'll be using today is from For Modern Woman, and this is how she packed it in the bag. I have 5 of this is what it looks like right here. It also has like a care label, how to take care of your locks. So I'm just going to go ahead and read this out to you guys. How to care for your locks: cleanse, don't wash vigorously, sleep with satin bonnet, finger detangle your locks to prevent them from sticking together, to retain shine and strength, use hairspray and mousse. Distressed locks can last up to 3 months. You guys, this is going to last up to 3 months, so you guys should check out her page. I'm going to leave her page details on the screen as well as in the description box, so you guys should make sure to check her out and patronize her. She's going to deliver anywhere you want. So with that being said, let's get right into making her hair. So I got like 5 pieces of this, and in each one we have like 10 pieces, so overall we have 50. And also we have this, it's not locks, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like as we proceed with making our hair. Now guys, for my hair I went to a hairstylist to help me with the parting and placing, just to make the process easy. So if you want to install your hair, you can as well do this, or if you can part your hair by yourself, then there is no problem, go ahead and do that. I'm going to go straight into making the hair.
I'm going to grab my crochet pin, and my hair comes with a loop already, as you can see that. So all I'm going to do is to insert my crochet pin into the loop. Then I'm going to open up the crochet pin and drag my hair out. As you can see, this like this, really simple. All you have to do is to follow this step. Next up, you guys, open up your crochet pin again, and once I open that up, I'm going to still insert my crochet pin into the root of my hair, like you can see. Then I'm going to drag my hair out, close my crochet pin, then drag it out like so. All you have to do is to determine how long you want your hair to be, and that is how, you're just going to adjust your hair basically. And once we're done with that, the hair that I showed you earlier that she sent as an extra, you're going to take a little bit of it and you're going to wrap it around your hair, but you're starting from the roots. When I was making my own, I had like a little issue. The issue that I had was that my remaining hair was getting in the way of the one that I'm making now. So all I had to do was to grab my elastic band, and I used it to put my hair in a bun so that my hair is not disturbing the new one that I'm doing. Another mistake that I made while I was doing it the first time was that I wasn't wrapping thick enough. So you guys, pay attention to the size of the hair that you are using. If your locks are, really fat, then you have to make the wrapping fat as well, just to make everything nice and smooth. But if your locks are slim, then go ahead and make slim, wrappings. So I'm just going to keep on wrapping like that.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna...
A quick tip for you when you're making your hair is that for the initial, parting stage and all of that, when you get to the hairstylist, if you know you have 50 locks, tell them to make like 45 so that in case they go over it, it will not be too bad. When I did mine, I told my hairstylist to make 45 for me, the person that did my parting and the first part of the plating. I told her to do 45, and you guys, at the end of the day, she told me she had done 43. And by the time I was doing this hair, I exhausted 43 locks, and my hair was not still done. I was like, what's happening here? You guys, by the time I finished my locks, I had one left. So, this is just for you in case you are making your hair. Make sure to tell your hairstylist to do less than what you actually need so that it's not ending hot tears. Okay, so you guys, doing this hair was not that bad. It was really easy, and to do the back of my hair, all I had to do was just to, you know, just do it without any mirrors, because obviously I don't have any mirror that can help me to see the back of my head. And you guys, once you have mastered how to do this hair, how to wrap the kinky around your hair, is really easy. You just have to, use your discretion, your mind to just do the back of the hair. You don't need any mirror at all to do this hair. Like, that is how easy it is. Just master the step. You can go back to the beginning of the video to watch how I did it, and you are going to get it.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if when you get bored of killing me, and when you get bored